When you look back at the coaching you've done in the past, is there one particular one that springs to mind as with the most fond memories, or
like a client of mine, or
a client of yours? Yeah, just
no. There's just ones that have great stories to tell. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like every client. The funniest thing about coaching is that when you walk in the door, in your mind, it's like, well, you should be double the size of what you are. All right, that'll be easy. We'll just get them to double their size. They don't see it, right? They cannot see it. But the thing you have to do is calm yourself down, or I had to, because I would scare the shit out of people. Because I'd say, yeah, we're going to double your business in the first 6 months. And they'd go, I can't work twice as hard. Like they start dying on the inside. And so that's why when you look at, say, our 12-week business masterclass, we tell them your job is to grow by 10% and find 4 hours a week to work on your business. Like I literally on the video tell them that is your job. I learned that from studying the Weight Watchers program, because it's been the most successful long-running program of that nature. And when people walk in, they tell them your job is to lose 10% of your body weight. Now, why do they tell them that? Because if people knew how to set goals, they wouldn't have to set goals for them, sort of thing. So I think watching that, my actual joy is not so much clients, it's watching you guys and gals, all of my partners around the world, watching you grow. Like to see some of my master franchisees, one in particular who started out as a team member of mine, who now owns the biggest in the world. But he started as an office manager for us, an ops manager. You know, to watch you all become better business people, to watch you all start building your wealth and creating further wealth, that to me is more joyous than the other side of it, sort of thing. Now, I do love, next week here, I have the $100 million week. And it's where I get 10 clients to come in and we build them $1 billion business plan so they can have a $100 million exit, sort of thing. I do love stretching people's mindset. Like before I came here, I was on the phone, and these guys have a tattoo business in the UK. And when they walk in the room, you'll know they have a tattoo business because they're very good customers of their own, you know? But when you think about, okay, how do I create $1 billion business in the tattoo space? Like that to me is fun. Challenging. That's why I've been doing the billionaire boardrooms recently, and that to me is fun, challenging people to think for $1 billion business. It's like I don't believe anyone in Action Coach should be thinking less than a $10 million a year coaching business. I think you should be aiming for about $30 million a year. Because when you break it right down, $30 million a year is not really that much when you look at having customers at 60 and 120 grand a year. It's not that much. You know, when the all-you-can-eat, which will be called Business Unlimited coaching program, that Reggie and Juliet and like there's a bunch of people now with people on that program where they get all of the coaching they need and all the training they need for a minimum of 120 grand. It starts at 120 grand a year. The bonus structure that we've now got implemented around the world, and Marshall Goldsmith taught us this many years ago. I taught it to the coaches. Andrew Laurie took it. And now that he's getting $200,000 a year bonus checks from clients, other coaches are going, oh, probably should have started that when Sugars taught it to me. Yes, you probably should have. But saying to a client, listen, your coaching should be about 400 grand a year. Here's what we're going to do though. I'm going to do it for a 10,000 a month retainer. And at the end of the year, you tell me how much I should get as a bonus. You can write me a bonus check. Now it should be tens or hundreds of thousands, based on the work we do. But if you hit the goals you want, then my bonus check should be damn healthy. And then it's not about the 120. They're like, oh, 10,000 retainer. See, this is where we've had to shift our thinking. I started coaching 32 years ago at 1,000 a month and 2,000 a month. Based on inflation, what should your price points be? 5 to 8. Right? So 60 grand, and we don't say it in monthly anymore. Why do we not price monthly? Because the psyche of the business owner or the business person is, if we say the price monthly, it's an expense. If we give them the price as an annual price, now they can pay monthly, but if we give it to them as an annual price, they're looking at it as an investment into their business. So that's why when we use the language of install the ActionCOACH business operating system, they're not paying for coaching. They're paying for an installed business operating system to run their business for them, to build a business that works so they don't have to. And by the way, you can do it over 1 year. If you do it over 1 year, it starts at $120,000. It's our all-you-can-eat coaching and training program. I'll train your salespeople, your managers. We'll put them in. I'll coach you. I'll coach a couple of your other executives. We'll work out how much is needed. It starts at 120 if you want to do it in 1 year. If you want to do it over 2 years, it's 60 grand a year. But that's just the coaching, me and you every week, installing the systems. The training will be extra if you want that. Or if you want to do it over 3 years, it's $36,000 a year, and I'll coach you every 2 weeks. And the training will be extra, and any other coaching will be extra. Like, when you talk to them about installing a business operating system, it's totally different than I'm going to be your coach. I'm going to be your coach is kind of esoteric. We're going to install a business operating system. Like, I don't go into someone and say, okay, I'm going to train your managers. I say, we're going to install our management systems in your company. And over 12 weeks, we're going to install a system piece by piece. They watch a video, we'll facilitate it, and every week we install more of the management system. Yeah, it's training, but it's done the right way. So at 120 grand a year, $10 million business for you is not really a big business in number of customers. Now, some coaches say to me, well, what about clients who can't afford that? Everyone can afford it. If you're pushed and you want to do it, you will find the money, yes or yes? That's what people do. If they don't see the benefit, they're not going to find the money. But if they see the benefit, they're going to find the money. Now, you're going to be a great coach. What does that mean? You're going to find them the money. You're going to get into their business, and in 17 weeks, 1 quarter basically, in 1 quarter, should you be able to find them an extra 5 or 10 grand a month? Yes or yes? I mean, so many of them, it's just a tweak of their conversion rate. Others, it's just a raise of the price. I've had people where I made them their money back just by showing them how to collect. Like, show me your data. How much? You're owed 300 grand? All right, let's put a system in place to collect the money, shall we? And like, just by doing that, you collect the money, and they're like, wow, I've got all this money in the bank. I told you it works. But some of you, it's going to take your first client or two telling you how great you are for you to go, holy shit, this does actually work.